Hi everybody and welcome. Today I'm going to tell you how to change the voice on Google Maps. So at first we have to tap this profile picture in the top right corner here, and now we have to scroll down to the settings here. Now we have to scroll down till we see navigation here, and here, as you can see, we have voice selection. We have to tap that, and now we can change our voice to the preferred one. Here inside of Reset Voices, we have English, default English, English UK, English US, and Polish, because my region is set to Poland. And here we have all voices, and yeah, here we have all the voices that are built in Google Maps. That's it. Hope it helps you, and goodbye.